In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate videos using Kling 2.5 in Magnific AI Desktop. We'll turn a pair of reference images and a simple prompt into a polished AI-generated clip, all inside Magnific. Start by opening Magnific. From the left sidebar, head into Video Generator. This is the workspace where you'll assemble your inputs and control how the model animates them. At the top, choose Model, select Kling, and then pick Kling 2.5. This version prioritizes smooth motion, strong coherence, and detailed frames, which is perfect for image-to-video transitions. Next, look for the References section. This is where you define the visual anchors for the clip. Click Start Image, then Upload Media, choose your first image, and open it. Go for a clear, high-resolution file that represents the opening look and aspect ratio you want. Click Add to confirm. Now click End Image. Upload the second image and open it. Then click Add. Selecting a stylistically consistent pair makes the transition feel more natural. With references in place, type your prompt. Be direct and specific. Describe the subject, the motion you expect, the setting, and the mood. For example, call out camera behavior like a gentle push-in or a slow pan, and mention lighting or atmosphere. Concise, concrete language helps Kling 2.5 prioritize what matters. Choose the quality level and set the duration. Higher quality yields crisper frames but may take longer to generate. Duration controls how much time the model has to evolve from the start image toward the end image. Pick what suits your use case and budget. Choose your layout. Match it to your destination platform landscape for widescreen players, portrait for mobile stories, or square for feeds, and align it with your reference images to avoid unwanted cropping. When you're happy with the setup, click Generate. Magnific will process your request and synthesize the video based on your references, prompt, and settings. That's it. You've created a Kling 2.5 video in Magnific, ready for review and iteration.